High-sided truck shall be aged no more than 1 to 2 years and in good condition. For step deck trucks, the fence height at the lower deck shall be 1.6 million. The fence height at the upper deck shall be 1.4 million. Vehicles below these dimensions are not allowed, as the fully filled Flexitank will contact the upper support bars and get worn or ruptured. For flatbed high-sided trucks, the fence height shall be 1.5 million. High-sided trucks should be equipped with waterproof tarpaulins. Clean the inner walls and floor surface of the container. No debris or foreign matter shall be left inside the container. To avoid cross-contamination caused by leakage into the cargo, inspect both side walls and the floor of the container. No fragments, sharp edges, or sharp points inside the container. No loose screws, dents, welding repairs, or similar marks. Check if the fence of the truck is significantly deformed. To avoid affecting Flexitank transportation, any area that may damage the Flexitank must be protected with cardboard or bubble wrap. Install the protective panels sequentially from the cab toward the rear. Fix the protective panels to the sidewalls with adhesive tape. Reinforce joints of protective panels with cardboard. Fold cardboard to a 90 angle to protect all four corners. For step deck trucks, special attention must be paid to deck, transition areas, and side corners. Fold cardboard to a 90 angle to protect the deck step area. Pay attention to joints between the step and container walls. Fold cardboard upward 90 for protection and taping. Unroll the protective felt starting from the cab end. Protect the container wall at the cab end. Continue extending the felt toward the rear. Ensure the floor is fully covered without exposed areas. Keep the felt flat at step deck areas to avoid pulling or stretching. Take out the liner and unfold it toward both the front and rear. Secure the liner at the front, both sides, and rear in sequence. Options for leak-proof liners include tarpaulins, pay liners, etc. Fix one end of the liner to the cab end with straps. Liner height is greater than or equal to fence height. Ensure the liner remains in contact with the truck floor. Avoid stretching caused by suspension. Take out the first truck Flexitank. Position it close to the right side wall and unfold it toward the front and rear. Fully unfold it toward the left side. Ensure the center line of the Flexitank aligns with the center line of the container. Reserve 10 to 15 centimeters at the cab end. Filled Flexitank will fit tightly against the container. Install the second Flexitank following the same procedure. After installation, check and arrange the belts to prevent twisting or folding. Vent valves are optional for truck Flexitanks. Can be selected based on cargo characteristics. Unfold the PP partition and place the long side underneath the Flexitank. Reserve 50 centimeters between the Flexitank and partition stitching line. Fold the partition over the surface of the Flexitank. Ensure the partition stitching line is positioned in the center. Support bars must be secured with straps. Otherwise, vibrations during transportation may cause them to fall and puncture the Flexitank. Start loading with a Flexitank near the rear end. Open the protective cover and unscrew the valve cap. Hold the valve handle firmly and open the valve. Connect the loading hose to the valve. Fasten both latches of the quick coupling. Secure the loading hose and start loading. After reaching the required loading volume, stop the machine, close the valve, remove the loading hose. Fasten the valve cap, secure the valve cap with a security seal, and attach the protective cover. After loading is completed, cover the truck with a tarpaulin before transportation. Open the protective cover and valve. Insert the sampler into the valve. Insert the other end into the sampling bottle. Gently squeeze the sampler by hand. Sample volume can be determined by actual requirements. After sampling, store the sample properly and close the valve. Start discharging with the Flexitank near the cab end. Open the protective cover and unscrew the valve cap. Attach the discharge hose and secure the quick coupling. Open the Flexitank valve, machine and storage device in sequence. Start discharging. The Flexitank height will decrease and collapse inward. Continue monitoring until the upper layer of the Flexitank contacts the truck floor. Reduce pump speed by 1/3 when the upper layer of the Flexitank contacts the floor. Lift the end of the Flexitank farthest from the valve. Fold the Flexitank toward the valve side and stop near the valve. Lift the other end and lift the Flexitank in the same way until all liquid is pumped out through the valve. When removing the hose, open one latch of the quick coupling first. Allow liquid inside the hose to flow back, then open the other latch. Remove the hose, close the valve, and discharge completed. Fold the Flexitank and place it at the designated location